you must obviously take the C60 because it really helps the brain with the cells not dying. You know, one of the few things that most people don't know is that in our human body, we have something called the blood-brain barrier. Okay, and a lot of doctors talk about it, but they don't really explain that this is a filter. This is a filter that does not allow anything to go into the brain. So therefore, you can take all of these herbs, you can take all these vitamins, but sorry, they will not cross the blood-brain barrier. So your brain doesn't get any of the benefits that you are normally trying to give your body. And therefore, C60 is the main piece because C60 crosses the brain barrier. This is amazing, Jessica. I don't know if you know this, Jessica, but you know that 30,000 brain cells die every single day. Can you imagine?
I did not know that. 30,000 every single day?
Every single day. And do you know that by the time you're 50, 55 years old, your brain actually shrinks upwards to 10%. And the brain, the cerebellum, which is your balance and your zippity-doo, that portion of the brain shrinks up to 30%. So we have all of these older people over 50 literally losing their brain. And that is why you have these senior moments. That's why you cannot remember anything. That's why by the time you get to be near 50, you start missing words. The words do not flow out of your mouth. I mean, you have to think about all of the. You have noticed that people do that all the time. And I will tell you, Jessica, this is a major problem in our lives because once you lost your brain, it is done. It is over. You cannot remember there's some older folks that look at their granddaughter and they don't recognize them. They go, who are you? I mean, excuse me, if you start to do that later in life, you know you have lost your whole entire experience. You will not know your wife. You will not know your husband. You will not know your kids. That is not the way to go. So I am trying to protect everyone. C60 is the main piece because C60 crosses the brain barrier.